Roll and slide open. Sliders features a new gravity-assisted folding function. Slide while wearing a skirt, keeping as elegant as ever. Hello Kickstarter, we are Sliders, a folding bike with a skate-like function. Kick it and fold it, it's simple for everyone. You can roll it everywhere or carry with ease. The Sliders design and production process have undergone 3 years of development and improvement. They feature handmade steel frames and leather. Every detail has been carefully mulled over. The advanced interhub helps keep the Sliders maintenance-free. Help us to make the Sliders better. Let's give everyone the chance to enjoy the stylish new Sliders.
Hi guys, my name's Sam Pearce. I'm the founder of a design company and we've produced the Loopwheel. Loopwheels are suspension within the wheel. So you can fit one of our wheels to an existing bike and you can have full suspension. So I thought of the idea in 2007 and did some sketches, but since then the design has come on and evolved considerably. Loopwheels have been developed for small compact bikes. They allow suspension where suspension can't normally fit. They allow to go over bumps easily, they're low maintenance and they're fun. This is our own Loopwheels test facility where we can test our own wheels in-house on our own test machines. We have different machines for different tests. This one is for testing the damping of the wheel. We also have some quite sophisticated machines for testing the wheels riding over curbs. This one we can drop weights from a certain height and make the wheel move out. It allows us to compare our wheels with spoke wheels. It also allows us to test them to destruction. Here we have our rolling road where we can load the wheels up with the force of the rider and then test them over thousands and thousands of miles to make sure the wheels last the lifetime of the bike. So as you can see, we've put a lot of effort and resource into our test house, but we don't have the funds to take this to do the tooling required to produce this wheel in volume. So we've come up with a brand new concept in wheel technology, using conventional components, our special springs, and all we need from you now is the money to tool it up to give you affordable Loopwheels.
It's rare for established bike companies to collaborate on a new product together, especially to grow a new category that is barely recognized by our industry. For this project, we at Turn and Extracycle each brought our unique strengths together. It was a natural partnership because we shared the same vision, removing barriers to urban mobility.
Hi, I'm Josh Hahn. I'm a co-founder and the team captain at Turn Bicycles.
What I love about Josh is that he's a brilliant, pragmatic doer who is deeply passionate about bicycle quality and design. These days he runs Turn, an international company based in Taipei that is devoted to finding new and innovative ways to make bikes fit better into our everyday lives, and they have the patents to prove it. Hi, I'm Ross Evans, inventor and founder of Extracycle. 20 years ago, I set out to make a bike that would change the world. As an idealistic engineering student, I landed in war-torn Nicaragua. In a tin and cinder block shed, I welded together a bike that would alter the course of my life, and as it turned out, the lives of people worldwide. The city is full of incredible opportunity and things to explore. Designing a bike that can unlock the hidden treasures of our cities is a challenging design problem. For this project, we at Turn and Extracycle each brought our unique strengths together to build a special bike, the Cargo Node. It had to have integrated lighting, robust, smart, and always ready. A bike with a passenger seat. Meet a friend, go out on a date. It's a must. Quality parts. Wide gear range. It's good on the hills, and strong brakes stop you fast. It even has a pump hidden in the seat post. Carry your laptop, laundry, kitty litter, camping gear, picnic supplies, you name it.
Folding bikes are important because they allow you to take a product which is incredibly efficient, and it's one of the best inventions ever, the bicycle, and they make it portable. Whether that is being able to fold it and bring it on a bus, onto the subway, into the trunk of a car, so that it fits into your life.
In this liberated landscape, there is a new opportunity. If you could unlock your city, what would it look like? What would your life look like? Here's how you can support the vision. Back us on our Kickstarter campaign page and join us in the magical unfolding landscape of an ignited life. Be moved, because life has a way of unfolding beautifully when you follow your heart.